So here's a view from the balcony. I'm staying in an older part of Palermo, Sicily. Check this out. Just ride around, no helmet or anything like that. Girls with really long hair, I like that. Um, yeah, cool. It's been a fairly decent day. The travel so far has been okay. I was kind of concerned because the taxi that came to pick me up in Rome uh, came really late. Somebody's bra hanging on the balcony. Um, yeah, yeah, and then there was a lot of traffic on the way to the airport. And then the flight left almost an hour late, but it was actually shorter than I expected. So just getting settled in. It's still early. It's only 15:17, so just a little after 3 p.m. So I'm gonna check everything out here. Go for a walk here and grab a drink because I'm really thirsty. My diet since beginning this adventure has not been good. I haven't been eating well, and I certainly have been drinking a lot more stuff that I normally don't drink, like pop and all that. But I've also been doing a lot of walking, so it's cool. I'm really excited to be here. What a what an adventure! A lot of cool stuff. All right, I'll check in later.